In this video, I will show how to increase or decrease the decimal places in Excel. So there are two methods. Firstly, I will use divide formula. You can use any formula and to increase decimal. In this home tab, you will see the number. Here you can increase or decrease. Just click few times to increase. To decrease, click here. Another method, right click, format cells, select this number. Here you can increase or decrease and you can see the preview here. 30 decimal is maximum. Like this. So thanks for watching.